Got the turtle? Good job! Now who you gonna get? The seahorse? Get him. You got the stingray! Yay! Yeah. Careful. Which one are you gonna get now? You say squid? Oh, you gonna get him? Ooh. Ooh. Going fishing. What'd you catch? A jellyfish. Say jellyfish.
I know, bittersweet. They're done touring for now, but they are headed back into the studio to work on their song.
Did you get the whale?
So that means new music from One Direction, hopefully by the end of the year. We get back to Kelly McDonald.
Good job.
She plays the voice of Merida. Gonna find out if there was one scene in the movie that was particularly hard to voice or required.
Get the octopus. Oh.
To record her voice. Justin Bieber making somebody else in the #1 spot today. He is down 3 spots.
Did you get it? You got the octopus? That's an octopus, Courtney. She gets the squid? Courtney, what song is on? You don't care about it right now, do you? Get the crab. There you go. Good. There's only one more left. Just the dolphin. Get the dolphin. You did it! Say, I did it. Good job, babe.